Yes, Chris hold something on the first cast. Jamaican shore fishing. We out here, people. Look, line a run no Ross. Bring him up, Chris. Bring him up. I want Jack. I want Jack. On the lure? Yeah. It's a nice Jack. You want me to get the gaff? Yes. Hold up. Let me get the gaff. Let me get the gaff. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Yeah, man. When? Come. First cast. We couldn't even gaff him good a blood cleat, Chris. He moved fast, you fat. So may I tell you no?
I don't even want to go that way. First cast, guess what? It's a bad cast in a Jerry.
Jamaican shore fishing, people, look at this. Chris just hammered this. Right. I think I got the rest of the footage on the other thing.
Yeah, but that's going to come on bad because you're back to it.
Oh, ja. I ain't even set up line yet. Chris is hitting. Damn. I spoon lure you licking pan?
Nope, I didn't dig like that.
Come, Sherry, come. Let's go catch dinner.
Okay. Hey, look where we go. I straight down the side and I wind it in fast now, so I don't want to get hit up. Watch it, look.
Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing. Chris is out here casting out. Chris just... You got hitched?
Slap it.
Something hit it?
Yep.
And you got caught?
Yep.
Well, people, you know me already. I ain't even dropped none of my drop lines yet. Chris is out here getting action, peoples. I'm coming out here with him, peoples. Trying to get some of this action. Lure casting. Jamaican shore fishing, people, and we out here, people, dropping the lure out there. Damn. Look at the size, Barra. Look at him. See him right there in front of me. Right there. Shit. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing, people. You see him, see him, see him, see him? Ah, he let it go! He's right here in front of me, man. Get a good footing here, people. That's what's up. Now tell your dogs. Lure fishing with Jamaican shore fishing, people. Fuck this, I'm gonna set up my drop line then. Yeah, people, this what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. We getting action in this new spot. Yeah, man. Me and Chris and Shar and the rest of the team's out. Chris just hammered this jackfish a while ago. On the lure. That was a wicked catch, people. Wicked, wicked, wicked catch. Yeah, man. Found a nice little spot, rest my rod stand. Yes, peoples. Have to find some place to secure the rod at, so while we're fishing, the fish don't take away your rod. So get my big rod set up, get that thing in the water, and this is what's up, peoples. Alright guys, getting set up. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
In my bag, Shara.
Oh my God!
Another one, Chris?
Sure, you need hooks and knots.
No, that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to get my line out, but here goes another way. See him over there, in that corner. I'm trying to get my drop line set up. More bruise up when you do that, you know, Chris. Put them like cooler, man. I'll cut up on the rock stone when you do that. You what? Once we set them in line, yeah, then I can go lure fishing. I can walk out. Me know, man. Yeah. Yo, here, bro. Bro, you deserve it. Here. man, Jamaican shore fishing. Chris just nail them. I look wild on the lure. I'm soon gone out there, man. I'm not even putting in water yet properly. People, so I'm trying to get my lines together now.
That last one is when I was taking the boat and the water and jump and licking it. I mean, I know I'm catching at the ear.
Yeah.
I saw the intern, man.
It's an acrobat. The lure was literally on the top of the water getting ready to lift it. And it just started.
Wait, just wait. Wait it out.
Get him, Susie.
Get them, Susie.
It's alright. Give him a little slack. Give him a little. Come on.
I put out my third rod yet. You got something? Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing. Why Chris are going good out here today. Chris done pick up 2 jackfish already. I haven't even been able to get my line in the water yet, peoples. Yeah, man. So we out here, peoples. Nice look at ends. 3 ounce weight going out on my drop lines. See if we can pick up something out here today. See? We out there. First cast.